welcome back to the channel of Kanak Info Systems. In today's video, we are going to learn how Odoo POS makes Thali management super easy. So, running a business is never easy and becomes even more challenging when you are serving Thalis with so many permutations and combinations. That's where Odoo POS comes in. What Odoo POS does, with Odoo POS managing Thalis becomes incredibly simple even if you offer 10 combinations or 100. In Odoo, you can create a thali with multiple selectable options like different sabjis, chapatis or puris, rice or pulao, choice of sweets, and even add-ons like papad, lassi, or extra sabji. Whenever a customer orders a thali, your staff just taps on the thali and instantly all combinations appear on the screen. They can pick the sabji the customer wants, change roti or to puri, add extra rice, remove something or upgrade to a special thali, all just with a few clicks. And the best part, everything updates automatically, showing the price updating in POS, the pricing updates in the real time. The kitchen gets an accurate KOT with all the selected options. So with Odoo POS for restaurants, you get faster billing, zero confusion for staff, accurate KOT, smooth experience for customers, better control over stock and cost. So if you want to take your business to the next level and manage thalis like a pro, Odoo POS is the perfect solution for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and drop a question in your comments.